Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see, I'll be working with the lovely Nadula hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 24-inch 150 density V-part body wave wig unit. It is a V-part wig. It is super duper affordable, really reasonably priced, and this 150 density is full. Okay honey, you are getting more than your money's worth, because not only is the wig affordable like I said, but it is thick. She is full up in here. Okay, you got curls for days. She's really nice and flat. This wig went on perfectly. It took me less than 5 minutes to install this wig, which is absolutely nuts, and it took me about 15 minutes to curl. So altogether this is a 20-minute hairstyle. So in under 20 minutes you could have your wig looking like this. And of course the 24 inches definitely played a part in how long it took to curl, because it is 24 inches. So far so good. I'm having no problems with this unit. It is perfect. I showed you guys how I did the install as well as the styling, so these curls. And if you would like to see, just keep on watching. The links for this gorgeous unit will be in the description box for you to go ahead and check it out. So thank you so much again to Nadula for sending me this gorgeous wig, and let's jump into today's tutorial. just like that, we are done. We have this gorgeous voluminous 24-inch V-part unit from Nadula hair. It is actually 150 density, and you guys, the word I have to describe this unit is wow, because how is this 150 density? Like, she is thick, honey, and she is also super duper lightweight, which is awesome because we do not want anything producing sweat on our hair in the back for it to poof up, because the wig is already nice and snug and really flat, so we don't want any extras. So this is literally perfect. Nadula, you did that. This hair is amazing as per usual. It's holding the curl really well, and I went ahead and used my Kenra working spray in the number 25, in the number 14, and I also used my spray, my hairspray, in the number 25, so I could get it nice and flat, as well as for these curls to hold for a while. So I'm loving it. Super here for these curls. They are everything, and I cannot wait to take pictures in this gorgeous unit from Nadula. So that is pretty much it for today's video. If you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. This unit is really affordable, so definitely do not forget to go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much to Nadula for sending me this gorgeous wig, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.